You're about to borrow from overseas, or perhaps you already have a foreign loan agreement in place for your company in Vietnam. At first glance, it might seem simple: funds are transferred. The agreement is signed, business moves forward. Without proper legal advice at the right time, companies often discover risks only after problems appear: blocked repayments, audit questions, or compliance issues they didn't anticipate. In this video, we'll walk you through when to seek legal advice on a foreign loan agreement, what questions to ask, and how legal support can help you manage risk before it becomes a problem. 1. When should you seek legal advice? There are several key moments when legal advice becomes especially important. The first is before signing the loan agreement. This is when terms can still be adjusted to ensure they are clear, compliant, and aligned with your business plan. The second is when loan terms change after signing, for example, an extension, conversion to equity, or amendment of interest or repayment terms. These changes often trigger new registration or reporting obligations. The third is when you are unsure whether your loan was properly registered or structured in the first place. A legal review can help identify gaps and suggest corrective steps. Waiting until a problem arises is risky. Early advice is usually far more efficient. 2. What should you ask your lawyer? When seeking legal advice, it's important to ask the right questions. Does the loan agreement align with Vietnam's regulatory framework for foreign loans? Are the loan term, repayment schedule, currency, use of funds clause, and account flow compliant with local requirements? Does the agreement trigger registration or periodic reporting obligations? If changes are needed later, such as an extension, conversion, or lender change, does the agreement provide mechanisms that work within Vietnamese regulations? Are the designated loan account and repayment channels set up correctly? A good lawyer should walk through these issues clearly and explain both the risks and available options. 3. How legal advice helps manage risk. What can happen when legal advice is skipped? Companies may sign agreements that function differently in practice than what regulators expect, leading to compliance mismatches. Registration triggers, such as loans exceeding 12 months, may be overlooked, resulting in non-compliance from the outset. Loan terms may be amended later without recognizing that fresh registration or reporting is required. By obtaining legal advice early, companies can identify obligations upfront, structure documentation correctly, and reduce uncertainty. In this context, legal advice is often best viewed as risk management, not just a formality. 4. What the legal advisory process usually looks like. So what does the advisory process typically involve? It usually starts with an initial review of the draft loan agreement, term sheet, disbursement plan, and account setup. The lawyer then identifies potential compliance risks, registration or reporting triggers, and any inconsistencies. Based on this, the agreement may be revised, or the client receives a clear legal note outlining required steps, documentation, and timelines. Legal support often continues through implementation, assisting with registration filings, bank coordination, and internal alignment. And when changes occur later, further advice ensures the loan remains compliant throughout its life cycle. 5. Practical tip: choosing the right legal advisor. Not all legal advice is the same. For foreign loans in Vietnam, it's important to work with advisors who have experience with foreign invested companies and cross-border financing. They should understand Vietnam's foreign loan regulations, registration and reporting requirements, and how banks apply these rules in practice. Bilingual capability and familiarity with international lenders is also a strong advantage. Most importantly, the advisor should take a proactive approach, anticipating future changes rather than reacting after issues arise. 6. How LTS law firm supports clients. At LTS Law Firm, we focus on advising foreign invested companies on foreign loan agreements and their full life cycle. We review draft or signed agreements, map out registration and reporting obligations, coordinate with finance and banking teams, and provide ongoing support when loan terms change. Our aim is to help financing arrangements support the business, without unexpected legal complications. If you're about to sign a foreign loan agreement, or if you've already signed one and want to confirm it's compliant, now is the right time to seek advice. contact LTS Law Firm for a professional review. We'll help you understand your agreement, identify potential risks, and guide you through the necessary steps to stay compliant. Visit www.lts.com.vn or reach out to our legal team directly. When it comes to foreign loans in Vietnam, getting legal advice early is often the smartest move you can make.